In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Signal Messenger from the App Store. First, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. You will find the App Store icon, which looks like a blue square with a white letter A inside. It is usually located on your home screen. Tapping this icon will launch the App Store, where you can explore a vast selection of applications. This is your gateway to downloading Signal Messenger and many other useful apps. The App Store is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating through it will be straightforward. Next, tap the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. This tab is typically represented by a magnifying glass icon. Once you tap it, a search bar will appear at the top of the screen. This allows you to quickly find specific apps, including Signal. Searching for an app is a crucial step because it helps filter out the noise and directs you straight to what you need. You can easily find the right app without unnecessary scrolling. Now, search for Signal-Private Messenger in the search bar. Type in Signal and you should see suggestions appear as you type. Be sure to include Private Messenger to ensure you find the correct application. This is important because there are many apps with similar names. Selecting the right app is crucial for your privacy and security. You want to make sure you're downloading the official Signal Messenger app and not a fake one. Once you've located Signal Message Private Messenger, tap Get next to the official app by Signal Messenger LLC. This button is usually green and prominently displayed next to the app. Tapping Get will initiate the download process. This step matters because it ensures you are downloading the legitimate version of the app, which is essential for maintaining your data's security. You will also be able to see the app's star rating and reviews, which can further confirm its authenticity. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account password. Depending on your device's settings, you might need to verify your identity before the download begins. This security measure protects your account from unauthorized downloads and purchases. It's a small but important step to keep your device and information secure. Once you successfully authenticate, the download will proceed without any issues. Now wait for the app to download and install. During this time, you will see a progress indicator showing the download status. The duration of the download will depend on your internet connection speed. Once the app is installed, you will see a notification or the app icon appear on your home screen. This is a crucial moment because it confirms that the app is ready for use and you will be able to access Signal Messenger immediately. Next up, tap Open to launch the app. You will find this option either on the App Store page or directly on your home screen. This action will take you into the Signal Messenger interface where you can begin the setup process. Opening the app is an exciting step because it leads you closer to enjoying secure messaging. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your phone number and set up your Signal account. You will be prompted to enter your phone number and verify it via a confirmation code sent to you. This verification step is essential as it links your account to your phone number, ensuring that your messages remain secure and private. As you proceed, the app will guide you through necessary settings. This will help you get started with using Signal effectively. Remember, Signal is free to download from the App Store and requires iOS 15.0 or later. To avoid fake apps, make sure you download the official app published by Signal Messenger LLC. This ensures that you have access to all the features and security that Signal offers, providing you with peace of mind as you communicate.